Alright, hey guys, this is the Treehouse Diva here, filming to you from my children's treehouse. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial, or a product review actually, of BH Cosmetics. It's their True Color Lock, I think it's just their Color Lock lipstick, and it's in the color Faithful. So let's just get into it and try it out. Okay, here it is. Pardon for the somewhat messy tube here, but this is the color in Faithful. Alright, it's a really good natural color. You can see it here. And we're just gonna pop it on, as they say. Amazing. For $4 to $5 per tube, depending on if you get it on sale price from BH Cosmetics, it's a steal. I almost never wear drugstore or drugstore priced cosmetics. And my old lipstick actually got discontinued by Buxom. It was their full-on lipstick, and so I had to find something else that really lasted and kind of allowed you to just kind of not have to worry about it. It's budge proof, but it's not drying, and it's literally the perfect My Lips but better shade. So I'm so thrilled. I can get like 4 of these, or 5 of them actually, for the price of my old My Lips but better lipstick that is no longer in stock. So it's a huge win for me. I'm definitely gonna be ordering a ton of these, and I suggest you try it. Yeah, it's really comfortable. They have a bunch of other shades. They have a shade called Rapture that's a little bit darker and vampier that might be good for the fall or the winter. But this is a really good spring, summer shade. But yeah, this is the Color Lock lipstick from BH Cosmetics in Faithful. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to give me a thumbs up or subscribe for more videos. All right, bye guys.